To enter a credit card credit, hover over the Create button in the navigation bar. Then, click the Credit Card Credit link under the Vendors heading in the menu that appears to open the Credit Card Credit window. Select the vendor from whom you made the purchase by using the Payee dropdown. Select the credit card account you used from the Bank or Credit Account dropdown. Then enter the appropriate category details or item details depending for which account or items you are being credited. Make sure to enter the same account or item information as when you paid the original expense or paid the bill using the credit card to correctly reflect the credit to the related account or accounts. When finished, click the Save and Close button to save the credit card credit and close the page. Alternatively, to enter another credit card credit instead, select the Save and New choice from the drop-down button to save the current transaction and open a new blank credit card credit window. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.